Alrighty, guys, I am now in the shop. Yes, y'all saw those short videos. Actually, I put out a long video. Well, it doesn't matter, guys. We're getting ready to do the last pair of brake pads that I will ever pay for on my Jeep Cherokee 2017 model that I bought brand new in 2017. And guys, get this. Where we at? 106,000 miles. This is the very first brake job that I'm ever doing, okay? Yes, it's my car. I bought it new. I can remember if I've done brakes on this bug or not. Well, look what we went with. Duralast. All right, now they had a higher brand of Duralast. This is lifetime warranty, and that higher brand is lifetime warranty too. I just want to stop, guys. I mean, pads going, as far as noise, semi-metallic, and all that stuff, pads gonna do what they gonna do, okay? Yes, I'm gonna put some stop squeak on it. I'm gonna soak it and do all this, but I just want to freaking stop, all right? And I don't want to ever pay for brake pads again, all right? Well, that's always the rear. Now, I'm getting ready to do the front, guys. If it was the rear, you know, you gotta release the piston, put this thing in the service mode, okay? You can use this or your scan tool to do that, but because I'm doing the front, there's no parking brakes there's no parking brakes on the front, so you ain't got to worry about that on the front. However, you do have to worry about it on the rear. Now, remember when I told y'all guys, see that? Yeah, it's great, it's scrapping. All right, but that's an OEM rotor. You know what? I'm about to mic this rotor. If it's still with the inspect, I'm using it. Well, I'm using it anyway because I didn't buy one, so I'm obviously gonna reuse it. But guys, I don't know if you know this or not, but mechanics have a different threshold when it comes to their own cars, okay? Yeah, we really do. Now, if anybody says otherwise, he's either lying or he's a Mr. Perfect, all right? Yeah. Okay, now, why didn't I catch that? Like the very last oil change I did, you know, I'm going to look at my brakes because I got the car in the air. I did not catch that for some reason. Normally, if I see my brakes low, I will put no. And another thing that should have rung a bell was the fact that I have never replaced them. Yeah, go figure. So I've put tires on. This the one I plugged the tire. Remember I did that video I put out? I went home and found a nail in the tire. Let's see how that. Hey, it's right here. Remember I asked y'all, is this too risky? It's not technically on the side. That plug is still holding up. A lot of y'all criticized me and beat me up about that. All right, but if it was on the side, guys, yeah, that's a no-go. Okay, well, I'm right there on the. I was reading the comments. A lot of you guys say, "You good, man? Go ahead and plug it." A lot of you guys do not believe in plugging tires. Yeah, man. Are y'all gonna replace your tire every time you get a nail in it? I mean, I get it with the patches. You got to totally disassemble the tire for a patch. At that point, get another tire. But a simple screw or nail, just oh my goodness, yeah, that plug's still holding up. All right, guys, let's get this thing in the air and get started. You know what I hate about this? Well, I don't really hate it, but technically it's the lug. You ever saw the wheels that use the lug? What is it? Lug nut or nut lug? the lug is built inside the stud. I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but it's kind of difficult taking the wheels off because you got to be perfect. Right here, see, these are not screw on. I mean, it's combination, the cap and the stud for the rotors. Yeah, weird. All right, guys, I got work to do. Let me get this wheel off. We're gonna check this rotor. We taking this rotor over to the cutting machine. I will be cutting rotors today. Yes, I'm not gonna put brand new pads. This is what you call pad slap. If this was my minivan, I still wouldn't do it, guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna pad slap this car. I'm gonna resurface these rotors. Reuse this OEM rotor. After I mic it, make sure. I mean, it's just a scratch. It didn't even dig into it. Yeah, so chances are I'm still with the inspect. But we're going to find out, make sure. Guys, I got work to do. Y'all stay tuned, man. Alrighty, guys. Amco came through for your boy. I'm done, guys. So that's as good as it's gonna get. All right. I was able to save at least $40. Remember, guys, this is an OEM rotor and it's first cut. Okay. In my opinion, an OEM rotor is 100 times better than the crap they're selling now at AutoZone and Advanced Auto. Okay, even if you got to cut an OEM rotor. This cut OEM rotor is better than their brand new rotors they have right now on the shelf. It's just made of different material, seems like. Okay, so don't even think about resurfacing a AutoZone rotor. Okay, you always got to replace those. So now, as far as miking goes, I know I said I was gonna mic it. I can't find my mic, and plus, this is the first cut. So, and I only had to go two fast cuts and a slow cut. All right, so I'm thinking I should be fine, guys. Remember, this is my own personal car, so mechanics tend to gamble a little bit when it comes to their own car. All right, now I'm not gonna put me or my family in safety at stake here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna make a wise decision. Don't get it twisted now. Just because it's my own car don't mean I'm gonna be reckless. But anyway, guys, yeah, you see this nice little setup. Brakes, cutting rotors, turning rotors have changed, guys. Everybody going to the new on-car brake machine. Okay, you get a truer cut, and you would cut as it relates to your front suspension, the hub bearings and all that. So I don't. This is quicker to me, and I like doing it this way. So, and remember, guys, my sole goal in this going to AutoZone. Y'all know I'm a Mopar guy, right? Mopar do not offer lifetime warranty brake pads. As simple as that. They do not offer lifetime warranty brake pads. However, AutoZone do. I only want to pay for brake pads one time. Mind you, brake pads is a wearable item. Okay, yes, they are designed to wear. That's what's crazy. I don't see how these shops can profit selling, and they went for $39. So it's not like they made a killing off of it. So let me get this straight. Had I bought Mopar pads, it would have been more expensive, and it's not lifetime warranty. To me, it's a double negative as far as my own personal car. Now, when I'm working on customer cars, customers' expectations are a lot different than mine as it relates to my own car. Customers do not want to hear jack nothing ever. Okay, so I got to go with the best parts available at that point. So I'm going to get the Mopar rotors and pads when I'm doing a customer car. All right, now we're not going to get into the debate about Mopar don't make nothing. Yeah, okay, whatever. But yeah, my whole mindset is different when I'm dealing with my own car as it relates to a customer car. Guys, I need both of my hands. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.